So scaling a business, a real estate business, or any business in that matter, is not easy. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of focus. It takes a lot of dedication, a lot of discipline, taking action, of course. And there are going to be a lot of ups and downs that outside of your control. And a lot of times, as a business owners, as entrepreneurs, we're constantly trying to figure out how to do it on our own. Our goals, our projects, our tasks, we're trying to do it on our own. And the question we always ask ourselves is like, how can I accomplish this? Or how can I accomplish that? Or the next thing that I have on a plate? And the problem, I think, with that question, or just with that mindset in general, is the fact that it leads to procrastination. From my experience, leads to procrastination. It leads to mediocre results. It leads to frustration, and then ultimately it leads to a life with bunch of regrets, because we try to do it ourselves, and a lot of times because of lack of bandwidth or capacity, or just the time in general, we half-ass it, or we're just not happy with those results. So a better question to ask ourselves is, instead of asking how can I accomplish it, is asking who can help me to accomplish this particular project, or this particular task, or this particular goal that I want to achieve. And think about it. It can lead to a lot of opportunities, a lot of goals that are going to be reached and achieved by having someone else that's going to help you to achieve that. Just to kind of give you an example, I met with an agent yesterday, and she's not a high producing agent per se, but she does have a VA. She has a virtual assistant from Philippines that does a lot of her social media. She does a lot of her graphics and posting and ad copy. And guess how much she pays that VA? She pays that VA $2.50 an hour. That's all. And that gal is doing like about 25 to 30% of her workload that she would do herself. We have other agents in our company, for example, they use our social media department, where we're generating leads for them. We're optimizing their ad campaigns, and they're getting the leads. They pay $1.50 to $1.75 per lead. If they would do it themselves, they can do it themselves, but most likely with the time and the effort they're going to spend, it's probably going to cost them more like $10 or $15 a lead. So, and I also spoke to an agent a couple of days ago where, this guy's doing 4 to 5 transactions every single month, but he's doing all of his files himself. He's doing all the paperwork himself. And this guy wants to grow. This guy wants to sell more homes. But at this capacity, where he's doing his paperwork at 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening, it's going to be very difficult for him to consistently to grow his business. And most likely what's going to happen is things are going to start falling through the cracks. He's not really having a balanced life, and there's a good chance that he may possibly burn out. So think about it. Next time when you're taking on the next project, when you want to accomplish your goals in 2021 and beyond, instead of asking yourselves on how I can accomplish it, ask yourself who you can work with, who can help you to achieve your goals. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.